Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and updating iOS because feature differences matter. Once done, open Messages or FaceTime and tap the Animoji/Memoji icon so you're in the right place. Tap the plus sign to create a new Memoji and choose skin tone, complexion, and hairstyle first. These set the base and save time later. Make quick, deliberate choices now so the rest of the customization focuses on refinement instead of basic selections. Next, refine expressions by customizing eyes, eyebrows, nose, and mouth. You'll use sliders to change size and position, which affects how the Memoji emotes during use. Then add eyewear, hats, and facial hair to match your look or brand. Accessories change perceived personality, so choose deliberately. Use the color pickers and presets to match tones, and rotate the device to preview facial expressions in motion so you understand how features read during live use. To finish, tap Done to save your Memoji and then test it in Messages or FaceTime by selecting it as your avatar. Make sure lip sync and head tracking respond naturally. If you want variations, duplicate the Memoji and edit the copy so you retain the original. If tracking or expressions lag, clean the front camera, remove obstructing screen protectors, and check lighting. These quick fixes resolve most issues, so your Memoji performs consistently across calls and recordings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.